Welcome to Egypt, a land of timeless allure where history whispers from every grain of sand and ancient wonders stand as proud testaments to a glorious past. Here, on the banks of the majestic Nile, a civilization flourished, leaving behind an indelible mark on the very soul of humanity. In this video, we'll embark on a captivating journey through the best tourist attractions Egypt has to offer, exploring its iconic landmarks and hidden gems throughout the year. From the towering Pyramids of Giza to the serene Nile River, get ready to experience the magic and wonder of this extraordinary country. Our journey begins at the edge of the Sahara Desert, where three colossal structures pierce the sky, eternally bound to the sands of time, the Pyramids of Giza. These awe-inspiring monuments, built as tombs for the pharaohs Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, have captivated travelers for millennia. Imagine, if you will, the effort of thousands of skilled laborers, toiling under the scorching desert sun, moving colossal stones with astonishing precision. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the oldest of the seven wonders of the ancient world still standing, is a testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Explore the labyrinthine passages within, leading to the Grand Gallery and the pharaoh's final resting place, and witness firsthand the grandeur of a civilization lost to time. Standing guard over the pyramids, a silent sentinel sculpted from the bedrock itself, is the enigmatic Sphinx. Its lion's body, a symbol of strength and power, is crowned with a human head, thought to depict the pharaoh Khafre. The passage of time has weathered its features, yet its gaze still holds an air of mystery, inviting us to unravel its secrets. Over the centuries, the Sphinx has been the subject of countless legends and theories, its true purpose remaining an enigma. Was it a guardian deity, a solar symbol, or a testament to the pharaoh's might? Join us as we delve into the history and mythology surrounding this ancient wonder, exploring the different interpretations and the enduring fascination it holds for humanity. We journey now to the ancient city of Thebes, present-day Luxor, where the banks of the Nile River bear witness to the grandeur of ancient Egyptian architecture, the temples of Luxor and Karnak. These sprawling complexes, once the religious heart of the empire, are a testament to the pharaohs' devotion to their gods and their desire to leave a lasting legacy. Karnak, a vast open-air museum of towering pylons, colossal statues, and intricately carved walls, is a symphony in stone. Walk through its sacred halls, adorned with hieroglyphics that whisper tales of ancient rituals and pharaonic power. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the temple grounds, the atmosphere transforms, taking you back in time to an era of pharaohs and gods. Hidden within the rugged cliffs of the Theban necropolis lies the Valley of the Kings, the final resting place for pharaohs of the New Kingdom. This desolate yet awe-inspiring valley holds a treasure trove of ancient tombs, each intricately decorated with scenes from Egyptian mythology and the afterlife. Step inside the tomb of Tutankhamun, the boy king whose golden mask has become an iconic symbol of ancient Egypt, and marvel at the treasures buried with him for the afterlife. Further south, near the border with Sudan, stand the majestic temples of Abu Simbel, carved into the face of a mountain during the reign of Ramesses II. These colossal monuments, dedicated to Ramesses and his queen Nefertari, stand as a testament to his ambition and the skill of the ancient Egyptian artisans. No journey through Egypt is complete without experiencing the lifeblood of this ancient civilization, the Nile River. Embark on a serene cruise along its waters, where time seems to flow at a different pace. Watch as feluccas, traditional Egyptian sailboats, glide effortlessly, their white sails billowing in the breeze. The Nile is not just a river, it's a living tapestry of Egyptian life. Observe local fishermen casting their nets at dawn, children playing on the banks, and farmers tending to their crops, their lives intrinsically linked to the river's ebb and flow. As you sail further south towards Aswan, the landscape transforms into a picturesque panorama of emerald green fields, palm groves, and ancient temples, a testament to the Nile's enduring legacy as the cradle of Egyptian civilization. Egypt, with its timeless allure and captivating history, offers an unforgettable journey through time. From the towering Pyramids of Giza to the majestic temples of Luxor and Karnak, from the enigmatic Sphinx to the serene Nile River, This extraordinary country promises a tapestry of experiences that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Let this video inspire your next adventure as we share detailed descriptions, stunning visuals and insider tips for planning your perfect Egyptian getaway. Subscribe for more travel content, and let us know in the comments which Egyptian landmark is on your bucket list.